Alright, good morning everybody. So today is Wednesday and the kids have a teacher work day. They had canceled a teacher work day a couple weeks ago and now they're going to make it up so that they can kind of specifically gear it towards online learning for the kids now since things changed. Anyways, I am sitting in my attic. This is where my children absolutely refuse to come. And I'll show you why. So you can see this. I don't even know what you would call this. It's a medallion of some sort. I don't know if you can even see it, if it's going to focus. But I do believe it's Mary. Mary is known to be the protector of Vicenza, and she was sighted on a hill, historically speaking, by pilgrims years and years ago, and so they built a church and stuff up there for her, and she is, I don't know all the ins and outs. I am not Catholic. However, I think that the story is very, very cool. So that is that one little thing hanging there. I don't know if you can even see it very well. That is why my children refuse to come up to the attic. So this is the stuff I have already been through. This is all stuff that's coming with us. Obviously, we're going to use the suitcases. I think we get like, I don't know, 20 suitcases we can take with us. However, we will not take 20. We took 25 on the way here because we had another kid with us, and that made for one crazy hotel room. Alright, so here's a bunch of Mike's junk. I really need to throw them away because he hasn't worn them in 5 years. We got a bunch of garbage going on over there, and then I just need to sort a whole lot of stuff. And I guess quarantine time is good for something. Since 40 means quarantine, and it was originated in Italy, I did 40 minutes of cleaning of the attic. I'll show you what I got accomplished. So, there's a lot less, still quite a bit. I bet I could probably do another 40 minutes, maybe a different day, because all this stuff has me sneezing. This is our take with us boxes. I need to bring up some tape so I can tape them all. And then I'm going to show you our garbage. The amount of stuff I'm getting rid of, at least. Some of it will be recycled if this quarantine ever lifts. This is another reason the kids hate the attic. Alright. So this is one thing that the kids mandate I do every time I go up to the attic. That way anything that might be up there can't come down. Alright. Here is what we are getting rid of. This is what we came up with, what I came up with to get rid of today from the attic. Hey, can I get you to go run upstairs for me? Up in the attic?
Livy's on me.
Ciao! It's been a couple of minutes, or it's been about an hour since I had left the attic, and I realized I didn't do a outro. So I just wanted to say, everybody be safe, wash hands, stay home, don't touch your face. Yeah, that's not so good. I didn't do that very good, y'all. Just stay home. Don't go anywhere. If you do go places, keep your social distance. Remember, we're taking it out to 6 feet. We're not doing the 3 feet stuff. All right? If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. We're going to try to do this every other day or so. Ciao, y'all!